As most of you should know by now, there's a separate product for online repository called RB Web. This website allows your clients and reporters to check their calendar, view their invoices, and download repository files. Well, with RB9 being completely web-based now, we thought that keeping the same name of RB Web is confusing. So we renamed RB Web to RB Connect, and now it's considered as a plugin to RB9. So throughout this session, you heard us refer to RB Connect is now the new RB Web. Here are some new features we added for you. In the current system of RB8, it is required to create a username and password for every single user. Now with RB Connect, each user will have the ability to log in with their email address or integration with social media, such as Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn. You will no longer require your clients to contact you to create a username and password to use RB Connect. There's a new level repository called All Resource. This allows you to upload a file to the repository for all your resources to view. And best of all, you can attach a custom billing sheet or any other file you created to every job that you send out so the reporters can download it at any time. The repository function for attorneys have been merged together. That means that the transcripts function, repository function, and repository text search are all one function now. Without being on RB8 Cloud, there was no way of allowing multiple batch files to be downloaded unless you made your clients install some web plugins. But since we have full control of our servers, we're able to give you this capability so all the installations are done on our servers instead. Media Streaming plugin is now built into RB Connect. With this feature, you're able to upload media files to the repository, and your clients can click and start streaming audio or video files immediately. Legal assistants can track how many points they're accumulating as they continue to do business. Then they can redeem those points or track their points through RB Connect. Court reporters, sales, and account managers can now view their client's calendar through RB Connect to keep track of how much business is flowing in. And those reporters can request to take any future jobs that their calendar is scheduled with you. So let's go ahead and flip back to RB9, but this time, I'm just going to go ahead and change the URL address. So at the top, I'm going to change it from Office to Resource. So you can see here how RB9 and RB Connect are directly integrated with each other. There will be one domain site for you to log in. At the login screen, there's a section for social media. This is provided for your clients and your reporters. I'm going to click on Facebook. Facebook will open up and ask me permissions, so I'm going to go ahead and continue as Ted. And it logs me into RB Connect. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it's like after you set the permissions. So I'm going to log off. And then from the login screen, I'm going to click on Sign In with Facebook. And now it's just going to log me in as it should. Very simple to log in now for all your reporters. Okay, so from here, I'm going to click on the repository. And I'm going to change my repository type from task to personal and click search. These are all the personal files that the reporter has, as well as all the new files from the all resource level repository files. This is where you upload it into RB Connect so that they can see it. I can click on the check all box to select all files and then download at the top right. This will compress and combine all of my files that I have selected, zip it up, and then download it for me. This will also work for your attorneys as well. So if they're downloading large exhibits, many files for cases, it will all have this feature. You'll notice though, there's a play button right next to the video file. By clicking on this button, the video will directly play, and instead of having to download and choose which player that you want. This is great for uploading video depositions, previews, and providing them for your clients. This is how media streaming works, and it's now included. RB Connect now allows the bill to and the sold to pay for invoices online. Before, only the bill to client had the ability to pay for invoices, but now the sold to can log in and do so. If you have a large client with multiple locations, Setting universal access will now grant the legal assistance to schedule for other attorneys in different firm locations. You will no longer need to upload files to multiple locations for reporter access. Now, all files related to the same case will be granted to all the reporters who work on that case. So you no longer need to upload to the witness, to the job, and the case for the same files. Multiple options have been added to the iCalendar file for your clients and your reporters. So now we are supporting Google, Outlook.com, and Yahoo. That concludes our main course of the day, but there are more exciting features on the way, and we hope you've enjoyed what you've seen so far.